The eastern fox squirrel and the eastern gray squirrel are two of the most common tree squirrels in the eastern and central United States. While they share some similarities, they can be distinguished by differences in size, coloration, habitat, and behavior. Characteristics of the eastern fox squirrel: the largest native tree squirrel in North America with a heavy, robust body, typically reddish yellow, yellowish gray, or rusty brown on the back and sides. The belly and fringe of the tail are a distinctive reddish yellow or brownish orange. Fox squirrels have the most variable coloration of any squirrel and can sometimes be all black. They are known as edge specialists, preferring open forests or woodlots near fields and open areas. They spend more time on the ground foraging than gray squirrels. Their habitat and diet favors upland hardwood forests containing nut-producing trees, open woodland, forest edges, and small scattered woodlots in agricultural areas. Their diet, they are opportunistic feeders with a wider variety of diet than the gray squirrel. Their diet includes acorns, hickory nuts, walnuts, seeds, including corn and pecans, buds, fruits, flowers, fungi, and insects. They bury nuts in individual caches for later use. The eastern gray squirrel. Characteristics of the eastern gray squirrel are smaller, more slender than the fox squirrel. The body is generally gray with a salt and pepper appearance. They have a white or light gray belly with a bushy tail and distinctive border of white tipped hairs. Black and all white albino variants are more common in this species than in the fox squirrel. They are highly agile, primarily orbial, meaning they prefer to move about the dense forest canopy. They are most active during the morning and late afternoon. Their habitat and diet, they prefer mature forests and woods with closed canopy and dense undergrowth, which provides cover from predators and allows them to travel throughout the branches. They are highly adaptable and thrive in urban and suburban parks. Their diet, they primarily eat hard mast, hard fruit, such as acorns, beech nuts, hickory nuts, especially in the fall and winter. They also consume seeds, buds, and tree flowers, bark and fungi, fruits, occasionally insects and bird eggs. Like the fox squirrel, they cache nuts in the ground, playing a significant role in seed dispersal and reforestation. Black squirrels are a rare melanistic mutation of the eastern gray squirrel or fox squirrel. Their black color is caused by genetic mutation that includes production of the pigment melanin. This dark fur can provide advantage in the cold climates by helping squirrels retain heat throughout other environments. Their black coat makes them vulnerable to predators and humans. Black squirrels can be found in parts of the Midwest, United States, Eastern Canada, and United Kingdom. The black fur coloration is a result of mutation in a gene which controls the melatonin production. This mutation leads to the production of more melatonin, the same pigment that causes black hair in humans. While individual black squirrels can occur wherever the gray or fox squirrels live, populations in the United States in certain areas such as the Midwest and Northwest, Northeast United States, Eastern Canada. Cities and forests, black squirrels are more common in urban areas because of their dark coat. It can be easier for humans to spot, while in the dense forest, their color offers a survival advantage against birds of prey. I have a lot of these squirrels in my yard, and if you like this video about them, please subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you again next time. Bye.